Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sneha Bajoria and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we'll educate you about dentistry. In today's video, let's learn about certain dental emergencies that can occur. Dental emergency is a situation in which either your tooth comes completely out of the socket or your tooth can get broken into half because of some injury. So what are you supposed to do in this situation? Let's look through the first scenario. If your tooth or your child's tooth falls completely out of the socket, the first and foremost thing that you have to do is take a cotton, keep it in the socket and ask the child to bite on it so that the bleeding stops. Take the tooth and put it in milk or saline, whichever is readily available, and carry it along with your child to the nearest dentist. The dentist will be able to reposition the same tooth in the socket. But make sure that you reach the dentist within the first hour of the tooth being displaced from the socket. Sometimes the tooth is not displaced from the socket, but it can be moved out of the shape and can really hurt the child. So what are you supposed to do? You're not supposed to touch the tooth with your tongue or your hand, and you're supposed to visit the dentist immediately. The second scenario is that because of some trauma or force, your tooth breaks into half. You might notice an immediate swelling present, or there might not be any swelling but there will be constant pain. You're supposed to visit the dentist immediately so that we can take an X-ray to determine the length at which your tooth has been fractured and whether any invasive treatment is required or not. If you have the broken tooth with you, you can also get that so that we can fix it back with the original tooth. Don't apply any force or pressure in that area. Don't try to touch it with your tongue or your finger to feel how it is, because you might end up moving the position of the tooth. Be careful. The trauma usually occurs because of any injury during sports, so always wear the appropriate guard while you are playing any sports. For more inquiry, please contact us at 62 909 59838. Thank you.